وقل رب زدني علما.
أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله وصلى الله وسلم وبارك على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم. Forgotten Sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam that a lot of people don't pay attention to and they don't remember to do. It is a great Sunnah when you're taking a shower, whether you're removing the impurity, whether you're taking a shower because of a wet dream, whether you're taking a shower because sexual intercourse, whether you're taking a shower after menstruation, whether you're taking a shower on Friday, from among the Sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ is to make wudu before you shower. And this is very important. A lot of people, they just shower with the intention, including wudu, which fulfills the actions of wudu, even if it's not done in order. But the Sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ, after he purifies himself from the impurity, after he cleans himself, he starts by doing what? He starts by making wudu. And in the hadith of Salama and others, the Prophet ﷺ used to make his wudu, and he would delay washing his feet till the end. And he would shower, wash his right side. So when you wash your right side first and the back, and then your left side with the back. Okay, if you have long hair, you go through the hair thoroughly. This is the beginning of the Sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam that a lot of people don't pay attention to. And at the end, he washes his feet. So if the person does that and they leave the bathroom and they touch their private part, then they have to redo their wudu. So it's recommended to start with your wudu and delay your feet till the end, or you start with your full wudu as the Sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam before you take a shower, the way that the Prophet ﷺ used to take a shower, right side first and then left. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us among those who are always pure and purify our hearts and our bodies. Allahumma ameen. Jazakumullah khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.